Now, sometimes as fifth graders, we don't have pictures to help us, but we have words. So now we need to find our categories and our options based on words only. So in this combination, Miss Lily is, again, getting dressed, and she has shorts and t-shirts as her option. So Lily has shorts and t-shirts. So already I'm starting to identify what my categories are. Shorts and t-shirts. So if I have two different types of categories, I know in my equation I'm going to have two numbers. So first, it looks like I have white shorts and gray shorts. She has two pairs of shorts. Here they all are. So that means my first number in my equation is 2. And 3 t-shirts. So they already gave me a hint, or I can look specifically at what they are here. So my second number has to be 3. How many combinations of different outfits? So I know my variable is going to be C. As we've practiced with combinations, I'm making groups of outfits. When I make groups, I am multiplying. So my equation is 3 times 2, and my variable is C. Now, let's finish. C equals 3 times 2 is 6, and then my label is combinations, or combos for short. Double checking in my 5th grade style. E, S for solution, L for label, and I already had my variable. This is a 5th grade problem.